Hey everyone, Jim, Midnight Road Garage, and you may have just bought yourself a 2021 Lexus GX460 and you don't know how to open the hood or check the oil. Let me show you how to do it real quick. So the first thing we need to do is make sure the vehicle's not running, and then you're going to go right over here in the driver's compartment, and this is your hood release right here. So go ahead and pull that back. We're going to go around to the front of the vehicle, and dead center there's a little latch, and you're going to push it towards the passenger side. Let me show you that again. This is the latch, and you push that towards the passenger side, and that'll release the hood the rest of the way. So our old dipstick is right back here. See, it's got a yellow handle. We're just going to go ahead and pull it out. And what we want to do is go ahead and wipe that off. Now we're going to put it back in. You want to go all the way back in. And then once it's seated, then go ahead and pull it back out. Now what we've got here is we have two little dimples, and you want to make sure your oil is somewhere in between. You can see this might have a little bit too much oil. So anyway, as long as your oil is between here and here, you're good. Now, if your oil is below this dimple, if you are below this dimple, then you need a quart of oil. Now, what kind of oil you use? Okay, so let's say you do need a quart of oil. What kind of oil do you use and where do you put it? Let me show you. So this is our oil fill. What you're going to do is you're going to take this off. What you're going to get is a quart of 0W20. If you forget, it's okay, it's right on the cap. You can be brave and try and pour in directly from here, or you can get a funnel and use a funnel to pour your oil in. Once it's in, just put the cap back on. Make sure it's tight so it doesn't come off while you're driving down the road. Let's show you a couple other things while we're here. This is your brake fluid, and the level indicator's on the side. Generally 3/4 full is about where you want to be. And the cap should tell you which brake fluid to use, either .3 or .4. In the case of this Lexus, .3 or .4 is fine. Now don't get caught with that windshield washer fluid. It's right here. Basically, you just open this up and start pouring. When it overflows, you're good. Alright everybody, I hope you enjoyed this brief tutorial on how to check the fluids of your 2021 Lexus GX460. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you down the road.